Hey there, welcome back to the ranch. I gotta apologize for not having this morning's video up, but this is what it's been doing. It's 100 degrees and then it rains. So hopefully I've been filming over the last 2 weeks or so, trying to get some footage, trying to finish the landscaping project so we can move on to the next one. So join me here, enjoy maybe this little bit of rain, and thanks for stopping by the ranch. Ranch hands, you get to see a different side of me today. This is what I'm trying to leave. Got my suitcase, got my travel clothes, and headed to a work meeting tomorrow. Working for someone else stuff. Get debt free, get off grid, and we can retire. Get our camping stuff all reorganized. That way I can keep hunting and camping separate. So enjoy the time lapse. Well, as you can see, ranch hands, the rain won again, but it hasn't dampened our determination or our spirit. Every challenge out here is another chance for us to learn, grow, and prove what we're made of. Remember, every dream worth chasing takes grit, heart, and a little mud on your boots. So let's keep showing up, lifting each other up, and turning hard work into something we can all be proud of. Until next time, keep your hat on, keep your hopes high. This is our life, our dream, our ranch. See you on the next one.